Welcome to our detailed comparison of two popular AMD B650 motherboards, the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX and the ASUS TUF Gaming B650 PLUS WS-WI-Fi. In this video, we will explore their specifications, pros and cons, and user reviews to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX features a 12+2+2 phases digital VRM, which provides decent power delivery for most users. However, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650 PLUS WI-Fi boasts a more robust 14 power stages, ensuring better stability and performance under heavy loads, especially during gaming sessions. In terms of connectivity, the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX includes Wi-Fi 6E and USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C, providing excellent options for high-speed connections. On the other hand, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650 PLUS WI-Fi offers Wi-Fi 6 and adds USB 4 support, which enhances its versatility for future-proofing your build. While the GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX is a cost-effective option with solid performance, it lacks some advanced features. In contrast, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650 PLUS WI-Fi includes attractive RGB lighting and a more comprehensive feature set, making it a better choice for gamers and enthusiasts looking for aesthetics and performance. In conclusion, both motherboards have their strengths and weaknesses. The GIGABYTE B650 Eagle AX is a great budget-friendly option, while the ASUS TUF Gaming B650 PLUS WI-Fi provides a more robust and feature-rich experience. Choose based on your budget and priorities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.